In this video, we're going to walk through how to use the Longhorn EPOD app. When you open up the app, it should bring you to the main page. So at the top of this example, you would notice a load number 24298 with a note saying required manifest. This states that the vehicle has not been checked in yet. Under, we'll hit the blue button that says sign manifest. This will bring you to the contract and manifest page. If all information is correct, it will then prompt you to sign if you agree with the amount shown in the manifest. Click on the slide button next to agree, and then sign your name and hit submit. Once it's been signed, it'll bring you back to the My Loads page. Select the blue button, View Detail. This will bring up the pickup order and the drop-off order. We'll go ahead and start at the top of the page under Pickup Work Order. You will have a pickup work order and a drop-off work order for every load. You will then select Pickup and then select the slider button next to all the question marks to scan VIN. A dialog window will pop up. You would hit the green Scan button to open your camera. It may prompt you to give access to the app to open your camera. Locate the car's VIN decal. Place the camera close to the decal to scan the barcode. The application will automatically notate the vehicle's VIN number into the dialog box. If it recorded correctly, hit the save button. So now the vehicle is currently inside the system. Under the signed document box, select the More box. This will bring you to the ePod summary page. Next to the VIN, hit the down arrow button to bring up the menu. Once the drop-down menu has been expanded, you will notice three options: VIN scan, photos, and vehicle inspection. At this juncture, we've already scanned the VIN, so now we're going to select the vehicle inspection option. Since this is the origin of the vehicle, we will select Origin Inspection. In the next window, we will verify the type of vehicle we are inspecting: sedan, hatchback, SUV, or truck. For this vehicle, we will select hatchback. Now we have an outline of the vehicle to conduct our inspection. By selecting the icon at the bottom, a blue box indicating bent or BE. This will bring up the damage type list. As we walk around the vehicle, locating chips and paint, dents in the bodywork, or otherwise any kind of damage will be notated on the inspection. Once you have your damage type selected, you can then tap on the location on the vehicle to notate the damage. Now, if you have selected a damage in the location that is incorrect, you can reselect the damage type on the vehicle and it will prompt you if you would like to delete this damage point. This avoids deleting a damage by accident by confirming the removal of the damage. So we'll go ahead and place the damage back, and we'll continue to walk around the entire vehicle, locating any kind of visible damage to the paint, wheels, or glass on the vehicle. On the other side of the vehicle, we have a dent. We'll go ahead and go select at the bottom to bring up the damage menu and change to dented. Now there are different types that are more specific. We have one selection under dented and another dented, paint not damaged. It's very important to read the damage types to accurately notate the damage on the vehicle. We'll go ahead and put dented on the location. For scuff paint, we will do the same. Select the bottom blue box to bring up the damage type. We'll notate scuff on the paint and set it in the location on the vehicle where the paint is scuffed. And we'll go ahead and notate a few scuffs. couple of chips on the front bumper as well. So this is our initial inspection. We'll go ahead and save the inspection. Now it will prompt you that the inspection report has been saved. Would you like to continue the inspection or return to the work order? In the event that you missed a damage, you can go back and proceed with the inspection. Otherwise, we can go ahead and save and move on. Now we're back to the ePod summary for the same load, and we'll select the photo option. Now we're in the damage images section. Verify the year, make, model, and VIN number for the vehicle. We'll go ahead and hit the box notating choose image. It will most likely prompt you to gain access to the camera. If so, just select camera. It'll open your camera app. On the vehicle inspection, we should have a corresponding photo to support the notation. Once you're happy with the photograph, confirm photo with blue check mark. Once you're done with the images, select yes to save. If not, you can continue adding as many images as needed. But for this example, we'll go ahead and move forward with just these two photos. Select finish to end the photos. Now we're at the ePod summary, and all of your photos should be displayed in this section. Now at the ePod summary page, we'll go ahead and select the sign document option. Now your vehicle inspection should reflect all the damages that we notated, as well as all the photographs corresponding with the damages. At this point, you'll notice all of your notations will be in a certain color. The orange denotes the damages that were recorded at the time of origin. Each leg of inspection will have a different color on the inspection forms, and we'll go ahead and review the overall inspection page. Make sure customer information is accurate. Select the I agree section and it will prompt you to sign, and we'll go ahead and sign. The first part will be driver signature. Select the I agree section and it will prompt you to sign. The first signature will always be the driver's signature. Then select next step. The second signature will be the location signature or receiving party signature. It's always best to get a signature. Avoid STI at all costs. In the event that the person does not want to sign your phone or tablet, please ask for their first and last name. Sign their name into the second signature box. Then we'll hit submit signatures to upload all information. This part is a slow part that normally takes a minute or two. At this point, we can send an email or add an email to a recipient. In this example, we already have the email listed, so we'll go ahead and select send email. Now the email has been marked sent and the car has been picked up. Once the vehicle gets to the next location, the process is repeated. And now you know how to use the Longhorn EPOD app.